Hi, welcome back to CarShield's tips and tricks to keeping your car on the road longer. I'm your host, Jason Lewis. Today, we're going to talk about air filters, and 99% of them look a little like this. They'll vary in size and shape depending on your car or brand of filter, but just like you, your car's engine needs to breathe, and your air filter catches dirt particles and debris before it reaches your engine. It's important that you change your filter at least once a year, but if you're doing a lot of off-roading or driving through heavily congested areas like big cities, it's a good rule of thumb to check on it more frequently. Some signs that your filter needs to be changed are if your engine labors going up a hill, or you hear it making unusual sounds, or if you see a decrease in your gas mileage. Some air filters are very easy to get to. In this case, you just unclip the housing, lift it up out of the way, grab your old filter, get it out of there, and stuff your new one in. Simple as that. Put the housing back on, clip it into place, and you're good to go. If you feel comfortable doing this on your own, great. If not, you can simply take your car to your favorite mechanic, but for the sake of your car, be sure to get it done. Well, that wraps up our tips for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, CarShield cars go farther.